Content creation is often misunderstood as a simple task, but it demands much more than just capturing high-quality photos and videos. To produce exceptional content creators must invest significant time and effort into editing, researching, and refining their craft. GadInsider has compiled a list of cutting-edge apps that are essential for content creators, helping them achieve professional-grade results. CapCut is considered one of the best short-format video editing apps, and therefore it should be on every content creator's phone. The ByteDance-owned app recently got banned in the US as part of the TikTok ban. CapCut helps edit videos and offers several viral trending templates and helpful AI tools. It's available on the desktop as well as on the phone. The image and video editing app InShot is a great option that can take your content to the next level. While InShot offers a free plan, its paid plans, which are $4 per month, $18 for an annual subscription, and $50 for a lifetime license, offers extended features. Adobe Express also makes it to the best apps for content creators due to its seamless integration with other Adobe tools. While it's still a valuable asset for non-creative cloud subscribers, its true potential is unlocked when used in conjunction with other Adobe plans. Adobe Express also includes a built-in content calendar and scheduler that allows users to schedule content directly within the platform, eliminating the need to save and send files to other destinations. Canva excels in creating eye-catching thumbnails, graphics, and infographics for social media posts. The extensive template and element library, compared with its vast photo and video stock options, keeps one's content on trend and relevant to their audience. While Canva offers a free version, it also promotes Canva Pro features. The Notion app improves the workflow for content creators. It helps them build a content system in which they can ideate, plan, assign, and visualize their entire content management. Notion app works better when used on a desktop as compared to a smartphone. Snapseed is a free-to-use app. It connects to Google Photos for cloud-based access to users' photos. It also offers some photo editing features that help create high-quality content, such as adding text layouts or frames to images.